Good morning, everyone. Good morning, students. So, I hope all of you going on very good. So, today we are going to start new chapters. As all of you know, yesterday I have completed my first chapter in science in 7th standards. That chapter is nutrition in plants. But today we are going to discuss new chapters. Chapter number 2, nutrition in animals. In previous chapters, I had discussed about on which methods plants taking food. But in these chapters, we will discuss about the animals. What is the process of animals taking food? So all of you know, plants taking their foods, plants getting their foods by the photosynthesis process. Plants can make their own foods, but animals cannot make their own foods. So, we have studied in this chapter about the animal nutrition of in animals. Means every living organism requires nutrition for growth and repairing for damaged parts of the body. Either animals or plants, every organism requires nutrition, and that nutrition that organism get by their food. So, previous chapters you have studied that plants can make their own food by process of photosynthesis, but animals cannot make their own food by the photosynthesis, because there is a major difference between the physical structure of the animals and plants. Because plants are having the chlorophyll, green pigments, that green pigments are chlorophyll, animals do not have. So animals cannot make their own foods. So animals obtain their food from plants as well as animals also. Means animals depends for their foods on the plants and animals. So all animals, including human beings also, require food for obtain energy, for growth and repair of the damaged parts of the body. Anybody can be asked to you, why is nutrition so required? So nutrition is required for animals or plants, for growth, for repair damaged parts of the body and for be healthy. Means if animals does not get any types of nutrition, then that animals become weak, cannot grow, that damaged parts of bodies cannot be repaired. So nutrition will be help for these all things. So here main important things, what is a nutrition? What is a nutrition? So all animals including human beings require food for obtain energy, for growth and repair of the damaged parts of the body. So nutrition, the process of taking food. What is the nutrition? The process of taking food by animals and its utilization in the body is called nutrition, animal nutrition. Means it should be clear. Nutrition is a types of energy. Nutrition we get from the foods. Nutrition, without nutrition we cannot survive my life. Different types of nutrition we can get, different types of foods. In 6th standards you have discussed about this also. Different types of nutrition we get, different types of foods. Means all types of nutrition, different types of nutrition. In 6th standards we have discussed about many types of nutrition. So all types of nutrition you cannot get from the one types of foods. So different types of nutrition you can get different types of foods. So for animals, nutrition in animals, nutrition is a very important for survive the life, and nutrition we get from the foods, and food animals or human beings also get their food from the plants and animals. So in this chapter we will discuss about the what is the nutrition. Previous chapter I have discussed about the what types of nutrition, what is the modes of nutrition. In this chapters, how will take nutrition, how will utilize my nutrition. When we will take food, then that food passes from how many process, then that food will become energy, or that food will become nutrition. So in these chapters we will discuss about the nutrition in animals, what is the nutrition, and process of nutrition, process of taking foods, different types of foods, nutrition, and which types of nutrition we will get from which types of foods. So in this chapter we will discuss about this. Okay, so in details I will discuss in next chapters. In this topic, in these topics we will give only introductions. Okay, thank you.